brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching this video today. So guys, I will be making DIY hair butter. So I'll be using castor oil. I'm doing like um Jamaica black castor oil, pure butter. Okay, I'll be using castor oil, only castor oil, to make this pure castor oil butter. So I just measure half cup of castor oil, almost a cup of castor oil. So you can use as much as you want. Okay, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you just subscribe, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. So now here is my castor oil, the one that I will be using. So we are going to put that aside. Now we are going to be adding what I will be using to make the hair pomade. This is beeswax, guys. Beeswax is good for our hair. It's good to moisturize. It's good to seal in moisture. It's good to promote hair growth. Like if you cannot manage your hair is so strong like okota, guys. Beeswax can also help you to do that. So beeswax is so nice for our health. So I got the yellow beeswax. So if you can get the white one, depends on how you want your pomade to be. If you want your pomade to be white, you get the big was white color. So I got the jello. I love jello. I like jello, so I got the jello. Maybe next time I'll get the white, so to change color, So now just putting it inside my hot water for it to melt. But this is so easy to melt, but I was so in haste, so I add some castor oil to it to help the melting process. Okay, so you can get beeswax on Amazon, AliExpress, anywhere you can get beeswax. It's everywhere. So it's very easy to melt, as you can see. So now my beeswax I've already melt, but I added some castor oil to help it melt really fast. Okay, so this is how it's looking like now. I'm just going to turn my castor oil inside my already melt beeswax, as you can see. So now don't just leave it alone, keep turning it, keep mixing it, so everything can combine very well together. So guys, this is pure Jamaica black castor oil, pure butter, guys. This is pure butter. You can use on your hair like a sealer. You can use it to seal in moisture. You can just use it alone. You can use it on your scalp. It's so good to encourage hair growth. Castor oil is good for to stimulate hair growth, to strengthen your hair, also with beeswax. So all together is going to make your hair so beautiful. There is the product that is Sonny Arisi, what they call it. They make this kind of product like 100, like pure butter, Jamaica black and so pure butter. Guys, that product is so expensive on Amazon. So I decided to make my own. So I decided to make my own and share it with you guys. You can use it on your children hair. I use it on my son hair. It's so good. So it's so good to keep his hair manageable. So you can use it if you don't want to use grease on your hair. You don't like grease like I do. So this is going to be like optional for you to use on your hair. So if castor oil is too thick for you to put on your scalp, This is an optional for you to put on your scalp to grease your scalp once in a while, to give your scalp some love and stimulate hair grow. So this is going to be a very good product for that. So now our beeswax and what they call it, castor oil, I've already mixed together. Guys, when you want to mix it, make sure you off your gas. You just use only the hot water, and make sure your gas is off and use only the hot water. So now I'm going to transfer my product to another container where I will be saving it. So I'm going to keep this now for some times. You can keep it overnight. Before you know, it's going to solidify again, like it's going to be solid like normal grease or what they call it, pomade or butter that you bought, that you buy in the market. So it's going to be like that. You can see this how it's looking like now, guys. This is the next day. As you can see how beautiful and fluffy this hair grease and hair butter look. So this is pure butter, guys. There's no petrol, just two ingredients, and so easy to make. Awesome. You can make your own hair butter at home. Pure Jamaica castor oil butter. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful enough, to subscribe, to share, to give me a thumbs up, to turn on your post notification. Please don't hesitate to do that if you are not yet a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you can see how moisturizing this product look on my hand. So when you use it on your hair, you are going to feel it. Okay, so very soon your girl will not be buying grease again. We are going to be making our own hair grease. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye bye.